Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Chris Whited.
Good Tuesday morning, everyone. We got a beautiful sunrise on the way here. Sunrise this morning at 6:37, but get out there and look at it now. It's beautiful right now. Live tower cam, I want to show you this. Again, we've had some clouds overnight and this morning. Of course, that just sets us up for a beautiful start to this morning here. I could just leave it on that graphic for the whole weather segment. Again, that is very nice out there. Temperature a little warmer this morning at 70. The humidity is at 63%. The dew point is at 57. We've had a southeast wind most of the night, and that's actually brought some moisture back into the area. 61 in Wharton and Littlefield, 66 in Levelland, again 70 here in Lubbock and also in Tahoka, Lake Allen Henry at 73, Jayden this morning at 70 degrees. Again, the wind now starting to turn a little more to the south, anywhere between 5 and 15 miles per hour. It will pick up a bit today, and it could be a little bit gustier at times this afternoon. Dew points I mentioned are higher because we've had that southeast wind overnight. We've got anywhere from the 50s across the eastern South Plains back into the rolling plains. Still some 40s over on the Texas and New Mexico state line. Over the last 6 hours, we've had a few clouds drifting through the area. Those continue to move off to the east this morning, and that's what's going to set us up with that nice sunrise this morning. And around the region, the high pressure still in control, but it is starting to weaken just a bit. And over the next couple of days, it'll start to shift to the east. Now, as it shifts east, moisture will start to work back into western Texas. Now, combine that with our daytime heating, we could see a couple of isolated showers or thunderstorms developing late afternoon and into the evening hours. Forecast model this morning showing just the high clouds drifting through the area. We may have a few around as we go into lunchtime. A few clouds may develop into the afternoon, and there's still the model showing a chance of maybe a couple of isolated showers, mainly in the rolling plains this afternoon and this evening, and those go away by the evening period. Overnight, we're looking at mostly clear conditions. Now, as we get into tomorrow, keep an eye especially in the western portions of the area. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. We're still looking at some scattered clouds around. That'll continue at lunchtime. And then as we get into the afternoon, notice the model popping up a couple of isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm, and those will continue to work their way off to the east as we go through the evening hours. I think this is a little bit overdone, but again, we could see a couple of isolated storms around Lubbock as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But hey, we will take it. It is dry out there, and we need the rain. 90 today, mostly sunny, and then probably a few more clouds this afternoon, especially as you look off to the east. The wind out of the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. There may be some gusts up to 20 miles per hour. 65 for tonight. Still a few clouds in the evening, then mostly clear overnight. The wind out of the southeast around 15 to 20 miles per hour. We'll keep a slight chance of a storm in the forecast for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tomorrow's highs in the low 90s, mid 90s on Thursday. Then we cool back down again for Friday and Saturday with low 90s. Rain chances start to come to an end by the weekend, and we'll see those numbers starting to warm back up as well, with temperatures getting back up into the mid 90s. Lows at night running into the middle 60s. So hopefully we'll pick up a little bit of rain in some spots that need some liquid relief, especially the western half of the viewing area. That's where we're seeing the severe and the moderate drought really taking shape.